10 creative and effective ways to make money online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the age of digital connectivity and the ever-expanding online landscape, opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home have multiplied. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, embark on a full-fledged online career, or simply explore new avenues, there are numerous ways to make money online. In this video, we'll delve into 10 unique and effective methods that can help you tap into the digital economy and generate income right from your computer. 1. Freelancing. Unleash your skills. Freelancing has emerged as a powerful way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting out, freelancing allows you to work on projects from around the world while controlling your workload and rates. 2. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, consider online tutoring. Websites like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VIPKid provide platforms to connect with students seeking to learn various subjects or languages. This method not only allows you to make money but also contributes to education and learning. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. By creating engaging content on platforms like blogs, YouTube, or social media, you can provide valuable information to potential buyers and earn a share of the profits generated by your recommendations. 4. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or blog. Creating content through platforms like YouTube or blogging can be an excellent way to make money online. By producing valuable and engaging content, you can attract a dedicated audience. Once you have a significant following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 5. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be an easy way to earn a bit of extra cash. Websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks offer rewards for sharing your opinions and insights on various topics, from consumer products to social issues. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell products online. E-commerce and dropshipping involves selling products online without the need for physical inventory. You can set up an online store on platforms like Shopify, source products from suppliers, and have them shipped directly to customers. This method allows you to focus on sales and marketing while avoiding the complexities of inventory management. 7. Stock photography and videos. Monetize your creativity. If you have a knack for photography or videography, you can monetize your work by selling it on stock content platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Brands, marketers, and content creators are constantly in need of high-quality visuals to enhance their projects. The world of stock content offers a platform for photographers and videographers to showcase their creativity, while earning passive income. From stunning landscapes to everyday scenarios, the range of subjects in demand is extensive, allowing for diverse artistic expression. Creating content with commercial appeal, such as images that convey emotions, or videos with storytelling elements, increases the likelihood of attracting buyers. As your portfolio grows, the potential for earnings also increases, as each sale can provide a consistent stream of revenue. Joining stock content platforms not only allows you to monetize your art, but also provides the chance to contribute to projects across the globe, becoming an essential part of visual storytelling in various industries. 8. Online courses and ebooks. Share your expertise. Online learning is on the rise, creating opportunities for individuals to create and sell online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can package your knowledge into a structured course or ebook and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. 9. Virtual assistants. Support remote businesses. Businesses and entrepreneurs often require virtual assistants for tasks such as email management, scheduling, data entry, and social media management. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Time, etc. connect virtual assistants with clients seeking remote support, allowing you to earn money while helping businesses thrive. Virtual assistance has become an indispensable service for businesses operating in the digital realm. offering flexibility and cost-effectiveness. As a virtual assistant, you might find yourself managing social media accounts, handling customer inquiries, and even conducting market research to help companies stay competitive. The role demands strong organizational skills and the ability to seamlessly integrate into a remote team. With the rise of remote work, the demand for virtual assistants is projected to continue growing, making it a viable avenue for those seeking to make a steady income online. Embracing the virtual assistant role not only opens up income opportunities, but also allows you to contribute to the success of diverse businesses from around the world. 10. App development and software creation. If you have programming skills, creating and selling apps or software can be a lucrative venture. Whether you develop mobile apps, web applications, or software tools, the digital marketplace is hungry for innovative solutions that can simplify tasks or provide entertainment. The digital age has ushered in a new era of income generation, allowing individuals to make money online in unprecedented ways. Whether you're leveraging your skills as a freelancer, creating content on YouTube, selling products through e-commerce, or sharing your expertise via online courses, the opportunities are diverse and ever-expanding. Keep in mind that success in the online world requires dedication, creativity, and adaptability. By exploring these 10 unique methods and staying open to emerging trends, you can carve out your own path to online financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing those digital dreams.